a testing approach for the new feature replacing state names with state codes on Amazon's address page should focus on functionality, usability, and data integrity. Breakdown of the testing approaches are functionality testing, correct mapping, verify that each state code in the dropdown accurately responds to the correct state name. This involves checking the mapping of all the states and potentially other regions if applicable. Code validation. Ensure that only valid state codes are accepted. Attempt to enter invalid or incomplete codes and confirm that the state system rejects them and provides them appropriate feedback to the user. State code persistence. After selecting a state code, ensure it is correctly stored in the system when saving the address, that is displayed correctly when viewing the address details later. Address saving and retrieval. Test the entire address saving and retrieval process with the new state code dropdown. Verify that addresses with state codes are saved correctly, retrieved correctly, and can be used for shipping. Usability testing. Dropdown functionality. Ensure that the state code dropdown is easily navigable and searchable. Clarity and user guidance. Assess if the dropdown makes it clear to the user that they are selecting state codes, not names. Consider adding tooltips or hints if needed. Accessibility. Ensure the dropdown is accessible to users with disabilities. Data integrity testing. Data consistency. Verify that the state codes are consistent across all relevant parts of the Amazon platform. Reporting and analytics. If the state code data is used for reporting or analytics, ensure that the data is accurately reflected in reports. Negative testing. Invalid input. Test various scenarios of invalid input, such as entering non-numeric characters or exceeding the length limit for state codes. Edge cases. Consider edge cases like very long state names or unusual characters. Regression testing. Impact on existing functionality. After implementing the change, run regression tests on all related functionalities that use state data to ensure no existing features are broken. Testing should cover correct mapping and validation of state codes, user-friendly and accessible drop-down functionality, data integrity across the platform, handling of invalid input and error conditions, impact on existing functionality and performance.